A 52-year-old in this corner of India has turned a role model for people fighting COVID. All persons in his village except him turned COVID positive. His is a remote village in Himachal Pradesh's Lahaul Spiti district. This strange thing was spotted earlier this month in one of the worst outbreaks of COVID-19 in the mountainous region where temperatures dip below zero. While 41 people tested positive in the Torang village, this 52-year-old Bhushan Thakur said he managed to avoid the infection by simply following the basic safety measures. The main reason that I tested negative was that I use a mask and sanitizer and maintain social distancing, he said. 6 people in my family, 2 are positive. I have isolated myself from them. I cook my own food and they are in a different room. The main reason for the spread of coronavirus here is the cold because it makes most people huddle in one room in front of the fireplace, he added. Deputy Commissioner of Lahaul Spiti district, Pankaj Rai said, the population of the village is around 160. Due to winter, people from the village moved out to other places. So the remaining 42 were tested on November 13th, out of which 41 tested positive. The villagers were tested again on Saturday and some of them have tested negative now, he said. According to Rai, a religious gathering was held on October 13th in the village and that may have been the reason for the infection's spread. M.L. Bandhu, a government doctor in the district, said, all people who have tested positive, all right. No one is in a serious condition, but we have asked for a door-to-door survey to find out whether anyone has comorbidities. Earlier in October, 39 residents of Rangri village of Spiti Valley had tested positive for the infection. Meanwhile, more than 33,000 people have tested positive for COVID till date in Himachal Pradesh, with the state slowly reviving its tourism. Out of them, 518 have died, over 26,000 have been cured, and the number of active cases is 7,070. News Desk, Kaumudy English.